children, in our last video class we have seen online class, question paper analysis. Today we are going to see chapter 13, perimeter and area. 13th chapter, perimeter and area. Let us recall the perimeter. What is perimeter? A perimeter means a closed figure is the length of its boundary. Closed figure is a length of its boundary. See, it's a closed figure. Length, this side and this side. Length of its boundary. Length of the boundary only we are calling it's a perimeter. We have to find the perimeter, means definitely it's a closed figure only. Anything closed figure. Okay ma? So sum of, otherwise we can say it's a sum of all sides also. Total length of the closed figure, boundary. Okay, so in the 13th chapter we are going to see perimeter and area. In 13.1 exercise only we are going to see perimeter only. Okay. Okay ma, perimeter of a figure equal to sum of the lengths of all sides. Sum of the lengths of all sides. Okay, now you add the all sides of the length means we can get the perimeter. That's why I told you it's a boundary of the figure. Okay, otherwise in some sums we can use the formula also. You have a separate formula to find out the perimeter of rectangle and perimeter of square also. See, what's the formula? Perimeter of a square means 4 into side. Why we are multiplying 4 into side? How many sides are there in square ma? Square has 4 sides, isn't it no? So we are multiplying the sides by 4. That's why the formula 4 into side. If you multiply 4 into side means we can get the perimeter of a square. Okay, then perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle means the formula is 2 into L plus B units. 2 into L plus B units. You must write the units also. Okay, whatever unit they give, centimeter, millimeter or meter, anything, but you must write the unit also. So perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Why here we are using 2 into L plus B? See, the rectangle means it has 2 length and 2 breadth. Is it or not? 2 length. So it's a rectangle, no? So opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. See, here one breadth is there, here one breadth is there, here one length is there, here one length is there. So totally in a rectangle you have 2 length and 2 breadth. So sum of all sides only, no? Perimeter means we have to add the all sides. So here we are using the formula. 2 lengths are there. So commonly you have to take out the 2 outside. So 2 length and breadth also 2 breadth is there. So 2 breadth. So 2 into L plus B units. Okay. Once again I repeat it ma. Perimeter of a figure means sum of the lengths of sides. Sum of the lengths of sides. Sum means what you have to do? Sum means it's an addition. You have to add all sides. That's all. Then what is the formula? Perimeter of a square means 4 into side. Because in square you have 4 sides, no? All sides are equal. Same lengths only in a square. So you have to add all sides. So that's why we are multiplying the sides by 4. Then only we can get the perimeter. Then perimeter of a rectangle. The formula is 2 into L plus B, because here we have 2 lengths and 2 breadths. So that's why we are using this formula 2 into L plus B. Okay. Now we go to the exercise 13.1. Okay ma, listen, now we are entering to exercise number 13.1. See the first row man, find the perimeter of the following figures. Find the perimeter of the following figures. They gave some figures. See this side measurement they gave 3.5 centimeter, here 7 centimeter, and this side 5.5 centimeter. Okay ma. So how we find the perimeter of the closed figure? Sum of all sides. Very good. So perimeter equal to sum of all sides. So what are the sum of all sides? This side they gave 3.5 centimeter plus 5.5 centimeter plus 7 centimeter. So you have to add this total length. So what will come? 7 plus 3, 10 amma. 10 plus 5, 15. Here 1.5, here 1.5. That means 16 centimeter. What is the perimeter ma? 16 centimeter. So the answer for the first one is 16 centimeter. Okay, we find out the perimeter of this figure. Then see D1. D sum. This side they gave 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, here 3.5 centimeter, and this length they gave 5 centimeter. So as usual, how we can find the perimeter? Perimeter means perimeter equal to sum of all sides. So we have to add the all sides, that's all. So you don't miss any side, okay? You have to write all sides, then only your answer will come correctly. 3.5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 2.5 plus 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter. Now you have to add all the sides. So what will come? 5, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 20, 20 plus 3, 23. So 23 centimeter. Therefore perimeter equal to 23 centimeter. Okay ma. Likewise you have to find the perimeter of the closed figures. Okay, they gave the figure and measurement of the sides means you have to find out, use this method only. Okay, right. So in the first Roman they gave 8 sums. Sorry, 8, 9, 10 sums they gave. So I work out the A sum and D sum here. Remaining sums, wait, one more sum I will do it. G sum also I will do it now. G1, because that is a difficult figure. Listen. Usually what you will do, this kind of sums, you will miss some measurements. For that only I am doing this sum. So this side they gave 6 kilometer, 5 kilometer, and here 3 kilometer. Then this length, this side 2 kilometer, this length 1.5 kilometer, here 2 kilometer, then this length 1.5 kilometer, here 5 kilometer. Hereafter as usual only, perimeter means it's a sum of all sides. Perimeter equal to Sum of all sides. Okay, so you have to add the sides. Don't miss it any sides. You have to add all sides. 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1.5 plus 2 plus 1.5 plus 5 kilometer. So you have to add all sides. So 6, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 25. I missed any sides, ma? 6, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 26. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter equal to 26 kilometer, because here they gave the measurement in kilometer only. So you have to write in kilometer. I read in a short form perimeter for P. Okay, so perimeter equal to 26 kilometer. So in the first Roman I work out 3 sums. Remaining sums you can do your class of note. You can do any 2 sums, that's enough. No need to do all the sums. You can utilize the sums for your practice. Then we go to the second Roman, ma. Okay, ma, now we go to the second Roman. Find the perimeter by the shortcut method. Find the perimeter by shortcut method. So what is the meaning for shortcut method? Just now I taught you that formula, no? You have to use that formula and find the answer. Okay, see the first one. A1. (25 centimeter). This side they gave 15 centimeter. They gave 2 lengths only. They missed 2 sides. Okay, see this figure. It's look like a square only, but it's not a square. It's a rectangle. See the measurement of the length and breadth. See, both the measurements are different. So that means it's a rectangle only. So now we are going to find out the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. So what is the formula to find out the perimeter of a rectangle? See, 2 lengths are there, 2 breadths are there. So what is the formula? 2, yeah, very good. 2 into L plus B units. L plus B units. Whenever you are writing the formula, that time you don't know the unit, so you just write unit. Afterwards, you can write the proper unit. Here they gave centimeter, no? That unit you can use it. So what is the length? 25. Breadth, ma? 15. So the unit centimeter. Okay. So first you add this length and breadth. 2 into 5 plus 5, 10 for 0, remaining 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Then you have to multiply the total length and breadth by 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8. So what is the perimeter? 80 centimeter. So the perimeter is, perimeter of a rectangle 80 centimeter. You have to write in full form, ma. I am writing just P, but you have to write in a full form. Perimeter of a rectangle equal to 80 centimeter. Like that you have to write. Okay. Then in the same Roman B sum, B1. B1 what figure they gave? Square. See, square means all sides are same only. They gave one side only. So, you have to use the formula for perimeter of a square. What is the formula to find out the perimeter of a square? 4 into side. Side, otherwise you can use S. 4 into S also correct only. So, 4 into S, what side they gave? 45 centimeter. So, 4 into 45. So, what will come? 4 5s are 20. 20 means 0, remaining 2. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2, 18. So, what is the perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square equal to 80. You have to write the units. 180, yeah. Here I wrote just 180 only. 180 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay, ma? We find out the second one perimeter. Likewise, in the second Roman, they gave 6 sums. You have to use the formula and write the same. Find the perimeter. Okay. Then we go to the next Roman. Okay, my next Roman, we are going to see third Roman. The third Roman also, find the perimeter of squares. Find the perimeter of squares. Here in a bracket they gave one clue. Sides are given centimeter because in each sum they didn't mention the unit. So that's why in the Roman they mentioned sides are mentioned by in centimeter. Okay. See the first one. First sum they gave just 5.5 only. That means you have to use that centimeter. Okay, 5.5 centimeter. Then you have to use the formula. In the previous 2 Romans they gave the picture, but in the third Roman just they gave the measurement only. We have to use the formula and find out the perimeter. Okay, 5.5. What is the formula to find out the perimeter of a square, ma? Perimeter of a square equal to, what is the formula? 4 into side. 4 into side units. Okay. See here. What is the measurement? The side is 5.5 centimeter. One side is 5.5 centimeter. That means 4 into 5.5. So what will come? 4 into 5.5 means 4 5s are 20 for 0, remaining 2. 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 2, 22. Here they keep a decimal point, no, 5.5. After the multiplication also, you have to keep the decimal point. Listen. After one digit, you have to keep the decimal point. That means no value for the 0. So the perimeter is 22 centimeter. You must write the unit. Okay, ma? Then next one, I am going to work out the C sum. C1 19.5 centimeter. For this sum also we are going to find the perimeter of a square only. Perimeter of a square. use the formula 4 into side units. So one side they gave 19.5 centimeter. Now we are applying this side in our formula 4 into 19.5. So what will come? 4 5s are 20 for 0, remaining 2, 4 9s are 36, 36 plus 2 ma 38, so 8 remaining, 3, 1 4s are 4, 4 plus 3 7. See here also they gave the measurement in decimal, so after one digit you have to keep the decimal point to here, that means 78 only, so no value for that 0. So perimeter of a square, what is the perimeter of a square ma? 78 centimeter. Okay, so in the third Roman I work out A sum and C sum, then they gave 8 sums, 10 sums and this Roman, no need to work out all sums, you work out any 4 sums, that's enough. Remaining sum you can utilize for your practice. Okay, now we go to the fourth Roman. Okay ma, next we are going to see fourth Roman. Fourth Roman, find the side of the squares whose perimeter is given. In our previous Roman, they gave the sides, we find out the perimeter. Last 3 Romans. But now in the fourth Roman, first time they are going to give a perimeter, we are going to find out the sides. Okay, how we can find the sides? I will teach you now. Listen. Find the side of the square. Okay, listen, first one 32 centimeter, it's a perimeter only. This 32 centimeter is a perimeter only. So what is the formula to find out the perimeter of a square ma? Perimeter of a square 4 into side. So this perimeter already they gave 32 centimeter. So 4 into side equal to whatever perimeter measurement they gave, that measurement you can write this side 32 centimeter. Now we are going to find out the side only. So you keep the side only in the left side. Okay, then 32 centimeter. See, whenever now we are going to find out the side. So how many sides for square? 4 sides are there for square. So now we are going to find out one side. That means this 4 will go to the right side, means here you have a multiplication. No, this multiplication go to the right side, means it will be converted to division. Okay, so 32 divided by 4. 32 divided by 4. That means you have to divide this 32 by 4. How many 4s are there in 32 ma? 8 4s are 32. That means 8 only. 8 centimeter. So side of the square equal to 8 centimeter. Now we find out the side. That's all. Very easy, na? Do you understand? Then I work out the E1, E sum. Listen. E1 they gave 124 centimeter. This is also perimeter only. Now we are going to find out the perimeter of a side of a square. First I am writing the formula. Side of a square equal to 4 into side. Units. Okay. So 4 into side How much they gave? 124 centimeter. Now we are going to find out the side only. So already told you, in the left side you have anything in multiplication means it goes to the right side, means it will be converted to division. So 124 divided by 4. So how many 4s are there in 12? 3 4s are 12. In 12 3 times, then in 4 1 time. 1 4s are 4. So 31 centimeter. So what is the side? Side equal to 31 centimeter. Okay, so we find out the side. Okay ma. In the fourth Roman also they gave 10 sums. I work out here 2 sums. You can work out any 3 sums, that's enough. No need to work out all sums in your class work note. And one more thing, in this exercise 13.1, all sums you have to work out in a class work note only, because they didn't give a space in your book. Okay, so remaining sums you can utilize for your exam practice. Okay ma. Now we completed the fourth Roman. Now I go to the fifth Roman. Okay ma. Then fifth Roman. So in the previous Romans we worked out about squares, perimeter and the sides of the squares. Now in the fifth Roman we are going to find out the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, find the perimeter of a rectangle. Units are they gave in centimeter only. Okay, a sum length equal to 8 centimeter, breadth equal to 5 centimeter. What is the formula to find out the perimeter of a rectangle ma? Perimeter of a rectangle, equal to 2 into L plus B units. So 2 into length they gave 8 centimeter plus breadth they gave 5 centimeter. So 8 plus 5, 13. Now you have to multiply by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So the perimeter of a rectangle. So perimeter equal to 26 centimeter. That's the answer. Okay. Then in the same Roman I am going to teach D1, D sum. They gave the length 11 centimeter. They gave just 11 only, but already they gave the measurements in the heading. Breadth they gave 9 centimeter. So formula, perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B units. So 2 into the length is 11 centimeter plus breadth 9 centimeter. So 2 into 11 plus 9, 20. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 2s are 4, 40 centimeter. So the perimeter is equal to 40 centimeter. See ma, in the fifth Roman also they gave 9 sums. But I work out 2 sums only, A sum and D sum. Okay, you can work out any 3 sums, that's enough, no need to work out all sums. Okay ma, like that in a word problem also they gave too much of word problems, no need to work out that all sums. Okay, next I am going to teach you the 8th sum. 8th one, write the question for 8th one. See ma, next one, 8th one. 152 meter wire is required to fence a square field. They are going to fence one field. That field shape is square shaped. Okay, right. Find the side of the field. Find the side of the field. Like that 4th Roman. The 4th Roman they gave the perimeter and we have to find the side only, no? That same only here they gave as a word problem. Right, see how we can write. You can copy the sum from your textbook ma, 8th one. First you have to write total length of the word problem, sorry, total length of the wire. So total length of the wire, how much they gave? 152 meter. It's a perimeter. It's a perimeter because total length of that field. What kind of field? What shaped field? Square shaped field. So perimeter of a square formula ma? Perimeter of a square. What is the formula? Perimeter of a square is 4 into side units. Now we are going to find out the side. So side only we are going to find out now. Side equal to 152 by, already I told you, whenever you are going to find out anything from the left side, you move to the right side means here it's a multiplication means here it converted into division. So 152 by 4. Find out how many 4s are there in 15. 3 4s are 12. Remaining 3 is there. Now 32. Again find out how many 4s are there in 32. 8 4s are 32. That means the side is 38 meter, not a centimeter. 38 meter. So side equals 38 meter. Okay ma. So we find out the side of the square. Very easy only. Whenever they gave any word problem, you have to read that word problem 1 or 2 times. Then it will be very easy only. It's very easy. Right. Then next word problem, we can do 10th one. 10th one. 10th word problem. Okay ma. The next word problem is 10th one. A rectangular field is 475 meter long and 320 meter wide. Find the length of wire required to fence the field. See, in the 10th sum, they gave the length and breadth, and also they gave the shape of the field. Now we have to find the perimeter. Okay, they didn't use the word perimeter there, but find the length of wire required to fence the field. Fencing means it's a boundary only. Boundary means it's a perimeter. Okay, so now we are going to find out the perimeter of a rectangle, because they gave the shape also rectangular field. In the previous sum they gave square typed field, but here rectangle shaped field. Okay, right, listen, write the question from your textbook, 10th one. Okay, so perimeter of a rectangular field. What is the measurement they gave? They didn't give anything. We have to use the formula only, 2 into L plus B units. Okay, what is the length? Length means nothing but a long. In this sum they mentioned long. Long means nothing but length. Both are same only. What is the length, ma? 475 meter. Then they gave wide. Wide means nothing but breadth. Okay, both are same only. Okay, what's the breadth, ma? 320 meter. Now we can apply this length and breadth in a formula. So 2 into the length is 475 plus breadth, ma, 320 meter. So 5 plus 0, 5. 7 plus 2, 9, 4 plus 3, 7. Then you can multiply this 2 with 795. 2 5s are 10 for 0. Remaining 1. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 9 remaining 1. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15 meter. So required wire to fence the field. Required wire to fence the field. $1,590 meter wire we required to fence the field. Okay, right. See, ma, here also they gave many word problems. No need to work out the all word problems. This is too much for your level, so you can write the 8th one and 10th one. That's enough. So we completed the 13.1 exercise. In our next video class, we can see 13.2 area. Okay, ma. Thank you, da.